With the help of Russia's poor morale, can a grenade take out a tank? As a Russian tank came rolling down the road, it tried to go out on the field but got stuck instead in a small ditch, resulting in the crew abandoning the tank, causing a Ukrainian soldier to deploy a drone capable of dropping a single grenade. But as the Russian crew left as usual, the hatch opened, leaving the drone to drop the grenade down into the tank, causing an ammunition cook-off, destroying the tank completely, exchanging a grenade against a multi-million-dollar tank, reducing Russia's tank force, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.